Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm there with another video. Friends, I made a new format. It's a format but it's fully automatic and it's like an application. So with the help of this format, you'll be able to create invoice. So this is the invoice format. You'll be able to uh, maintain your inventory because it has sale purchase entry. I'll show you. So this is the page where your entry will be done. This is the purchase master. There, whatever the ingredients you will purchase, you can make the entries over here. Then we have the item list. We have account master as well. So whatever the selling is being done, you can maintain the accounting section also at this place. So I'll show you step by step how does this format work. So at the top I keep some buttons like invoice, item list, customer list, account master, sale data and purchase master. And at this place all the information will be update automatically. So this page basically fully automatic, nothing you have to do. Below we have product based report and at the right side we have customer based report. So this page is fully automatic. So when you open this file you will see this page first, and let's make some entries and I'll show you how does this format work. So first we click on invoice. Before click on invoice, let's go to the item list and add one more item. So first thing is first, I'll tell you that you enter only the item name like oil for example, and the unit will be a liter. 1 liter oil is purchasing price is 150 and the selling price will be 200 rupees, right? And then we have to set the reorder level. So what is reorder level? Reorder level that will give you the reminder when whatever the reorder level you have set, if the item quantity will be below that level, you will get the reminder. So I'll set here 5 liters. Whenever your oil will be less than 5 liter in a stock, so it will show you the reminders at this place, like it's saying order. Then right side, this is our inventory section and this part of the data will be update automatically. So I have add one item oil, and then I go back using this arrow, or even you can use the page tab also. So I'll use this arrow, then go back. Then we click on customer list, add a new customer. So at this place I take Mr. Jane. Contact number will be same because I'm not going to write. I'll make copy paste. Contact number and email ID is mandatory because contact number and email ID will be there on your invoice also whenever you select this party name. Then address, you can write the proper address for that party. Then GST number also mandatory. I'll just simply copy paste to save some time. So right side we have the transaction report, total transaction, total paid, total due for each and every party. Then we are done. So we click invoice. So when you download this format, some other things you have to do, I write in details here. You can see change the logo first. So this is the logo. If you don't have logo for your brand, simply whatever the concept you have, if you have shop or something like that, you can simply take a photo of any product or something related to your business and you can upload at this place. So how you can upload? Simply you can click this insert, then see picture. So click picture and it will show your desktop. You can choose any photo, resize it and just place it here. That's all. Second, you have to change the brand name. So this is the brand name. Click here and whatever the brand name you have, you can simply change from at this place. Then you can change the address, phone number and email ID. So this is the address, phone number and email ID you have to change. Then we have GST number. So this is the GST number you have changed. Whatever the GST number you have, then bank details will be here at this place. Then you have to change QR code and signature. So this is the QR code from my Google Pay. If you don't have Google Pay, you can keep here like any QR code you have that can be used for digital payment. So you can simply take the screenshot of your QR code and crop it and then upload it. Similar way, go to insert and then upload it from the desktop. The signature you can sign on a paper and then take a photo of it, crop and then place it. Simple. So only these things you have to do, and the rest of the things is fully automatic. So I will create one invoice. When you click bill to, next to the bill to, see a drop down list is there. So whatever the party name you save, customer list, in customer list whatever the party have saved, all the name will be appear here. So I select Jane because recently I have added Mr. Jane. When I select Mr. Jane, as you can see, the phone number and email ID already pop up. Then I'll start selecting item, that what are the items I'm going to sell to Mr. Jane. So I'll give him oil, then onion. See, when I select oil and onion, rest of the data like unit and rate is automatically pop up. I will select here only the quantity, like oil I will give him 2 liter and onion 3 kgs. So only that much. When I enter the quantity, the amount already calculated and reflecting here. So below we have a remark section. If you want to write anything related to this party or something, if he has too much due or something, you can mention at this place. And then we have the GST, CGST and HGST. You can change as per your requirement. So I just simply keep here 12%. And then if you want to give any discount, you can mention at this place. If you want to charge, like if there is any additional charge like packaging charge or delivery charge something, so you can mention here. Or just simply, if there is nothing, then keep it as it is and click here save invoice. When I click save invoice, data saved successfully. That means the entire invoice data has been saved. Where it has saved? It has saved in cell data. I'll show you later on. But before that, if you want to take a print of this format, simply click here print. So you see a beautiful print view is here. So this format is really look amazing, simple and cute. See, I'm back and this is my invoice. When you're done with the print, when you take a, so if you can take print, or you can simply save it as a PDF because it's digital time. So you can save this invoice as a PDF, or you can make a print out of it, and when you're done, simply click clear and new invoice. So what it will do, it will change the invoice number and clear all the data from the invoice. See, now the invoice is fully empty. So I'm done. I show you how we can make the invoice. When you make the invoice, you can see the oil, that the product we have add in item list, and the customer that we have add in customer list is already added at this place. And you can see some other transactions like purchase quantity is not there for onion and oil, but we have sold like 3 kg onion and 2 kg 2 liter oil. And even in Mr. Jane, you can see total transaction is 756, total paid 0, and due amount is 756 because there is no transaction. Only we sold him, but we haven't received any. So it's total amount showing in due section. So now I'll show you what you have to do. First, we go to the purchase and we make some purchase, like we take some onion. For now, as you can see, stock in hand onion is -3 because before we purchase we sell it because we make invoice. And when I select onion, you can see unit, quantity, price of that onion, and date is automatically reflecting at this place. And the date is current date, today's date. Stock in hand is -3. Purchase quantity, so I'll take purchase, I'll enter 10 kg of onion. So you can see the amount is 500. If there has any discount, you're getting any discount from the supplier, then you can add the amount here. If not, then simply submit. Now when I select onion again, you will see the stock in hand is showing 7 kgs because the unit is kgs, right? Then I'll make another purchase like oil, because oil also we didn't purchase but we sell oil to Mr. Jane. So I'll take oil also 10 liter and then submit. So we made 2 entry for purchase also. Now I'll go back to dashboard and I'll show you. Now we have onion purchase 10, oil also 10 liter, and sale is 3 and 2. For customer Mr. Jane, the transaction is still there, the same. There is no amount we have received yet. As you can see at this place, number of customer we have 2, number of product we have 2, purchase quantity is 20, purchase cost is 2000, sale quantity is 5, sale value is this much, total discount 0, total revenue 0, total due 0, total revenue 0, total due is 75756.40. So now I'll make some entry in account master. Because already we have create invoice, we add one item in item list, we add one customer in customer list, we made the sale entries also. We sell Mr. Jane, so this is the invoice number 103. We sold oil and onion, the quantity is 2 kg, 3 kg of onion and 2 liter of oil. So the price, and you can see the subtotal amount is here. Now I'll make some entries in account master. So I click account master and I'll select Mr. Jain, and you can see Mr. Jain, the information of Mr. Jain is here, phone number, GST number, and the date is today's date. Total transaction is 756, total paid 0, and the entire amount is in due. So I'll make some entries like 500. Suppose today we got 500 rupees from Mr. Jain and I submit. So this is the date, party name is Mr. Jain, previous due amount was 756, we have received 500 and current due amount is 256. So our account also start updating. Now if I show you the dashboard, so you can see the total revenue is 500 and total still due is 256. So our data is start updating. So let's make another invoice for Mr. Bain. I take onion like 3 kgs and simply I'll save. Just to show you, see this file is so easy to use. Now I'll go to the dashboard. Now there will be due for Mr. Bain also 260 rupees. So I'll go to the account master from here. I'll select Mr. Bain and as you can see 260 rupees is due. So I'll take 100, like we have received 100 from Mr. Bain and submit. So in our dynamic dashboard also the data update automatically. So now we have total transaction, total paid from Mr. Bain is 100. Just now we have enter the amount and the due amount is 160.4. So that's how it works. So with the help of this format you will be able to create invoice, and then you can maintain your inventory as well as you can maintain your account. When you think that any entry you made wrong, so you click on the party name and simply you can click delete, so the entry will be delete, and this one also. So that's how we can delete the entries. If I go to the purchase also, there will be the same. You can give the multi selection also, no problem. So I delete the entries. So I delete from account master, I delete from purchase master. There we have the cell entries. Whenever I want to delete the cell entries, so you have to delete the entire cell entries. So I click here, clear all data. Yes, so all data gone. I come to the customer list, so I give the selection till GST and we delete the record from your keyboard. Then we have item list. Item list also will be same, but make sure that you delete, you give the selection from item name to reorder label. Don't select the reminder section because inside the reminder section has formula. If the formula will delete, you will get some error. So only select till reorder label and press delete button from your keyboard and delete it. This is the invoice section, nothing you have to do. And we are back to the dashboard. Now as you can see, all the data we have entered recently is gone because we delete all the record from purchase, account and sale. So there is no data at all. It's fully empty. Only one number of customer is 1 and product number on product is 1. These are the demo product I have kept. So that's how this format work. This format is super easy and very useful. The download link will be in description box, so you can download it. You can use this format for lifetime. You can store lot of data because it is simple Excel file. So friends, if you want to download this file, the link will be in description box. Download this file and one time download, and you can use this file for lifetime. So thank you very much for watching this video.